Hello and welcome to a GP50 product spotlight, a global supplier of instrumentation grade level and pressure sensing equipment with more than 30 years of experience. The models 188, 288, and 388 from GP50 are a family of all-welded stainless steel miniature flush diaphragm pressure transducers. Their unique design incorporates a specialty flush process connection that allows the transducers to effectively support higher viscosity fluid pressure measurements without port clogging or plugging. The 88 series offers a machined Inconel diaphragm that provides a rugged flush solution that can withstand adhesive or harsh media that other thin foil face sensors would fail in. Its flush face also provides enhanced frequency response. The 88 series are utilized in adhesive, sealant, paint, food processing, extrusion, and hydraulic system applications. For more information on the Series 88 models and other transducers, please visit www.gp50.com, or you can email our sales department at sales@gp50.com or call us at 716-773-9300 to get in contact with a dedicated member of our sales team.